Now student, we are finding A complement minus B complement. If a universal set is given to you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, set A is given to you, that is 1, 3, 5, and set B is given to you, the element of set B are 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to find A complement minus B complement, but we don't have A complement and B complement. Firstly we can find A complement, then we can find B complement. First of all we can find A complement. What is A complement? U minus A. Write down the element of universal set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Subtract the element of set A. Set A, the element of set A are 1, 3, 5. Subtract the element of set A from the universal set. 1 you can cancel, 3 you can cancel from the universal set, 5 you can cancel from the universal. The remain 2, 4, 6 in universal set. So A complement is equal to 2, 4, 6. You already practiced and I already explained you. Now we have to find the B complement. What is B complement? U minus B. Write down the element of universal set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then use the sign minus, subtraction. The element of set B. What are the element of set B? That is 2, 3, 4, 5. Subtract the element of set B present in set universal. Subtract 2 from the universal set, 3 from the universal set, 4 from the universal set, 5 from the universal set. Remain in U are 1, 6. So your set B a complement is, that is your 1 and 6. We already practiced, we learn. Now students, we have to find A complement minus B complement. All element of set A complement and set B, we can write here A complement minus B complement, which is equal to element of set A complement 2, 4, 6. Write down here 2, 4, 6. Then the sign minus. Then element of set B complement, that is 1, 6, 1, 6. You can subtract 6 from A complement. Remain in A complement 2, 4. That is your A complement minus B complements 2, 4. Through universal set, we can this A complement minus B complement we can solve by the Venn diagram. Here is a universal set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We represent A. A represent with this single shaded line. B represent, there are the slightly up to down. This is up to down from this different direction, and this is your crossing here. So A, the element of set A are 1, 3, 5. Element of set B are 2, 3, 4, 5, and your answer is 2, 4. This is 2, 4 is your answer. So A complement, that is your A complement minus B complement is 2, 4. This is represent with this shaded line, this shaded line. I can write down, this is 2 and 4 is your, we write down the shaded over here. You can, I hope you understood, this 2, 4 is your A minus B. Student, do practice from the exercise 1.1. I hope you practice, and through practice you have a good confidence. Thank you and God bless you.